here's how to remix reels on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Instagram account. After logging into your Instagram account, now here you have to click on the reels icon at the bottom of the page. Now from here you have to select your desired reel to remix with. Now click on the three dots next to the share icon and then click on the remix option. Here you can add stickers, text, audios, and even you can record a video to remix your reel. To add any background music, click on the music option and then select the desired song or the music that you want to add. Now click on the camera icon at the top. After that, you can also upload a video from your mobile gallery here, or you can simply record a clip for yourself. For recording a clip, first select the frame. After selecting the frame, now hold on to the camera icon for a few seconds until you have recorded your video. Then hit on the next. Now again click on the next option. Now here at this page, click on the share option to share this reel. So that's how to remix reels on Instagram.